Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. When we were house hunting, we had two options. A fully furnished house with a spacious kitchen but no play area for kids. Our current house, which is the exact opposite. As parents, priorities shift. Your child's happiness starts to outweigh your own comforts. Watching your little one play outside, full of joy, makes you forget all the other worries. It's moments like these that remind us why we make the choices we do. It's a simple kitchen with a small L-shaped countertop. For months, I used this tray to store onions, but with the sink right next to it, accidental spills were a constant worry, risking spoiled onions. I bought this stand for fruits a few years ago, but later I realized that keeping fruits out in the open wasn't practical. So I decided to repurpose it for storing onions, coconuts, and sweet potatoes. This multi-purpose stand, a fantastic buy for small kitchens where vertical space is a must. Right now, I'm using it to store potatoes, garlic, and even diyas. My mini puja mandir doesn't have much storage, so this stand is a lifesaver. If you are interested, I have a video on puja mandir organization. Feel free to check it out. As a right-handed person, reaching for things on the left side can be a bit of challenge, especially when it's in a corner. It might seem like a small inconvenience for a day, but when you are working in the same kitchen 365 days a year, it adds up. That daily 1% effort can turn into a 37% strain over the course of a year. So making smart choices in your kitchen is essential. Adding some height or lift can really help reduce the strain on your posture and make your daily tasks much easier. I have this large baking tray that has been sitting around unused for a while. I have a few in different sizes, but I usually reach for the smaller one on the regular basis. So instead of letting this big tray gather dust, I decided to repurpose it to hold all my oil dispensers. It's amazing how keeping similar items in one place can make cooking so much more convenient, and it looks organized too. Plus, if I ever need this for baking, I can still use it. What about you? Have you repurposed something in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. There are a few items like cast iron and wooden that you just can't store in the cupboards due to high humidity. But keeping them out in the open can take up a lot of space. That's where a stand like this comes in handy. It saves space and fits perfectly in a small area, keeping everything organized without the risk of damage. I know every kitchen is unique and our purchasing decisions evolve with experience. I hope this video inspires you to repurpose those unused or rarely used items in your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.